In this video, part 2 in a sequence, we consider the basic approaches to an expert elicitation. What are the basic approaches to expert elicitation? The simplest way to think about expert elicitation methods is by individual or group elicitation. Then, once the elicitations are completed, the next distinction is whether and how the elicitations are to be combined. In an individual elicitation, subject matter experts are elicited separately using a standardized protocol. Individual elicitations produce a more diverse spectrum of responses that usually provide the most robust picture of uncertainty, but they do not necessarily promote or represent consensus. In a group elicitation, by contrast, subject matter experts evaluate data interactively and determine a collective judgment. The entire elicitation is completed as a group. The process is built on shared data and judgments. Group interactions can be designed to identify a best estimate or consensus opinion. Group dynamics typically generate data interpretations that are different from those obtained by individual experts, but they are potentially limited by the influence of group dynamics. A focus on consensus building can also fail to characterize the full extent or range of the uncertainty. Individual expert judgments can be combined in a number of ways. You can use each individually. Mathematical approaches are used to develop a single probability distribution from the several individual distributions. These range from simple averaging using equal weights to a variety of more complex methods. Cook in 1991 devised a technique for developing weighted combinations of distributions based on an individual's ability to provide statistically robust probability estimates. This ability is discerned through statistical calibration of experts using a bank of seed questions relevant to the specific problem area. Behavioral aggregation approaches have the experts interact in a variety of ways to arrive at a single distribution. An alternative to these two approaches is to begin by eliciting experts individually, and then moving to a second step that relies on a group process where experts discuss their original opinions and arrive at a collective opinion together.